Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshi. Prince Magate Zulu, the first son of late King Zwelithini, is not backing down in challenging King Misizulu kaZwelithini. Despite Misizulu having been recognized as a king by President Cyril Ramaphosa, Prince Magate will perform the entering of the sacred Kraal ritual, known as Ukungena Esibayeni Palace on Saturday, which is on the 13th of August. A week before King Misizulu is set to perform the ritual at KwaKhangelamankengane. Traditional Premier Minister Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi has warned Prince Magate that performing the ritual won't be legal. Buthelezi said he trusts the law would be enforced and the illegal activity would be prevented by the police. But he said if it proceeded, it will mean nothing. Prince Mandlaka Kapeli Zulu, a supporter of Prince Magate, said, "We are indeed going ahead with the ritual." But Mangosuthu said as King Misizulu had been recognized by the president and the matter was gazetted, it was not possible to contest the throne anymore. Prince Magate had numerous attempts to do this in court and had failed. He said, "We call for calm-headedness by His Majesty's people in the face of such foolish provocation. It is well known that all royal palaces are under the authority of the king. Thus, if this false ceremony were to proceed, those involved will be trespassing. As South Africa was a constitutional state, we would allow law enforcement to do its job. We are aware that some people are preparing to prevent this false ceremony. We ask that the matter be left in the hands of police." Things are really tough and tense at the Zulu Royal House at the moment. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.